This is Kastra, Authorization for AI Systems. It decides what your AI agents are allowed to do. Let's set it up. First, I create a workspace. Everything in Kastra, policies, devices, and decisions, lives inside a workspace you share with your team. The onboarding asks how I work. I pick the Edge path, coding agents on my machine, and download the macOS app. Then I connect Kastra Edge to my account. Sign in once, pick the workspace this device should belong to, and it's paired. The device is connected, and here's where Kastra gets interesting. Instead of asking me to write policy from a blank page, it runs a recon scan of my Claude code history, redacted on my machine before anything is uploaded. It finds the risky things my agent has already done, destructive commands, exposed secrets, production access, and turns each one into a ready-to-install policy. These aren't hypotheticals. They already happened. Kastra just makes sure they can't happen again. Subscription and team invites are optional at this point. I'll skip both for now. You can start completely free on your own. And that's the dashboard. The policies from the scan are already installed and active. Writing a custom policy from scratch, though, needs a paid plan. Under Recommendations, I review everything Recon found, rank from the highest priority risks down to the smaller ones. Back in the Kastra Edge desktop app, it's already detected the agents installed on my machine: Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor. One click connects all three. From now on, every tool call they make is checked against my policies. Now I'm on the Teams plan, so let's write a custom policy with AI. I describe what I want in plain English. Block Stripe API keys from ever being pasted into Claude Code. Kastra drafts the rule, then tests it against the live policy engine. Here's what it blocks, here's what it still allows. Every example verified before I ever see it. I review the draft and publish. No regex wrestling, no policy language to learn. One sentence became an enforced rule. Let's do one more. This one's personal. I've had an agent helpfully reset a database before. So any command that deletes or recreates my local database has to stop and wait for my explicit approval. Same flow, describe it, Kastra drafts and self-tests the rule, I publish. And notice the effect is different. This doesn't block the action, it holds it for a human decision. Time for the real test. In Claude Code, I ask the agent to refresh my database. Kastra holds it instantly, and a native notification lands on my Mac with the exact command. I hit Deny, and in Claude Code, the agent is blocked. My database never moved. That's Kastra.